living room, which again accommodates nice slabs put in here, nice spacious master bedroom. I like how beautifully it's done. Hello, I'm Vidya Nair and welcome to Housey. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a lovely project by the Godrej called the Barca at Godrej MSR City. And before I give you more details about this lovely project, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from various brokers. And how does Housey do that? Housey directly connects you with the developer. So what are you waiting for? You can book your dream home today by directly connecting with the developer through Housey. So come on in, let's go have a look at some of the sample flats that are available. And now to give you an overview of this lovely project, that is the Barca by Godrej at MSR City. This property is spread across a land parcel of 62 acres, and these 62 acres comprise of 6 buildings and 31 towers, and each of these towers consists of 2 basements, ground floor and 14 floors. And now talking about the amenities of this lovely project, it boasts of 30 plus amenities, which includes a nice clubhouse that accommodates a nice large auditorium with banquet hall and kitchen facilities. You have the other area, which is your skating ring, cycle track, your community park, volleyball area, and then you also have different activities here like a dance studio, your cafe, gym, indoor games area, etc. And talking about the connectivity of this project, that's Barca at Godrej MSR City. This property is about 7 minutes from the Kempegowda International Airport, about 4 minutes from the Dodajala metro station, about 7 minutes from the KIADB Aerospace Tech Park, and about 7 minutes from the Forum Mall. So this is the location of the Barca by Godrej MSR City, as you can see the board behind. And this location is called Shettigere, which is very close to the Bangalore International Airport. Today I'm standing in front of Barca by Godrej MSR City. As you can see, I would like to welcome you to the lovely 2 BHK sample flat, and let me give you a tour of this flat. As you enter, you're welcomed by a nice living space, which is very well ventilated and well lit. It comfortably accommodates a 5 to 6 seater sofa. At the same time, this right opposite to that is the television area and cabinets available. And right adjacent to the living space is the balcony area. As you can see, it gives you a lot of natural light and ventilation. And this is a beautiful balcony area overlooking the garden view outside. And as you walk inside, right adjacent to the living space is the dining area, which comfortably accommodates a 4 to 6 seater dining table. So this is a living area and the dining table next to it. And right adjacent to the dining area is your kitchen. As you can go outside, you have nice huge cabinets, enough space in the bottom and on top to comfortably accommodate enough number of cabinets. And you also have a nice utility space outside where you can store your dishwasher, and then you have space right here inside as well to store your refrigerator and other appliances. As you move forward, on to your left you will see the first common bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. This bathroom is also quite well ventilated. And now let's move to the first bedroom. This bedroom is adjacent to right adjacent to the living space. It has these nice large French windows, which will give you ample of natural light and ventilation. And this room also accommodates a nice queen size bed with enough space on either side to accommodate your bedside tables. And you have this space here right next to the bed with the wardrobe, which again accommodates nice tall wardrobe that's giving you enough space. This can be used as a kid's bedroom or a guest bedroom. And you have a tiny corner space here as well, where you can add in a dressing mirror as well and utilize the space. And now let's go look at the second bedroom of the 2 BHK flat. Come on. We are at the second bedroom of the 2 BHK flat of the Barka by Godrej at MSR City. And before I give you more details, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey will give you an actual tour of the location. Housey will give you a tour of the sample flat. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this project. Housey will also give you the EMI and down payment options available. And Housey will also give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the project. So what are you waiting for? If you like the property so far, in 3 simple clicks, you can click on the link below and download the e-brochure for more details, or contact our sales team to register with us and get more details about the project. So come on in, let's have a look at the master bedroom. As you can see, this is a nice spacious master bedroom. It comfortably accommodates a nice queen size bed. There's enough space for a nice king size bed as well. You have ample space on either sides for your side tables, and right next to the bed is these nice tall large wardrobes. You can accommodate all your belongings easily here. And right opposite to the bed, you have this space here for your TV cabinets, or you can add a bookshelf. You can decorate it however you like. And right opposite, you have these nice large French windows that are giving you a lot of natural light, and ventilation also adds to the beauty of this room. And here in the corner also, the space is utilized very well to kind of add more decorative pieces, or you can extend this to make it a bookshelf or a dressing area. And this bedroom, which is the master bedroom, comes with an attached bathroom, as you can see, with anti-skid tiles and luxury bath fittings. And this bathroom also gives you a lot of natural light and ventilation. So this was a sample flat tour of the 2 BHK flat at Barka by Godrej MSR City. And if you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.